In this video, we will go over Hedra AI Character 3 tutorial. Hedra AI is gaining attention for its breakthrough character animation technology, which combines full-body visuals with expressive facial features, realistic lip syncing, and rich emotional performance. It leverages advanced AI models that simultaneously interpret text, images, and audio to generate highly realistic animated videos. This makes it ideal for creators who want to produce engaging content without spending countless hours on traditional animation or video production tools. The platform allows users to upload a static image, then pair it with custom text-to-speech audio to bring characters to life in a way that feels fluid and almost human-like. This blend of usability and expressive quality positions Hedra is a unique tool in the AI space, particularly for educators, marketers, or podcasters looking to create visual storytelling quickly and affordably. Another significant advantage of Hedra AI is how approachable it is for creators of all technical levels. Unlike traditional video tools that demand a steep learning curve or experience a 3D animational software, Hedra's web-based interface is designed for ease of use. The studio allows for quick drag-and-drop content creation, and AI handles a complex process, such as motion generation, expression syncing, timing, and more behind the scenes. Users can create highly polished short videos with minimal setup, making it ideal for both hobbyists, small businesses, and more. As the platform continues to expand its feature set, it promises to deliver even more powerful tools that could eventually replace or even augment the needed for costly video editors or animational suites. Despite its promising technology, Hedra AI is still evolving. This is reflected in several users' pain points, particularly related to support or stability. Many users report experiencing technical issues or glitches, such as failed uploads, videos that do not process at all, long render times, and more. All these frustrations can be compounded inconsistent customer support, some users describe delays in getting assistance, while others note that support response, especially regarding refunds or troubleshooting, can feel very dismissive. This is especially concerning for paying subscribers who expect professional service in exchange for their investment. This mismatch between quality of core product and the experience surrounding support and reliability can be jarring, especially for many users depending on the platform for regular or client-facing work. Other concerns of Hedra AI lies in terms of service, particularly around data usage and biometric representation. Since the platform relies on user-uploaded images, voice data to animate characters, some users are understandably cautious about how this content can be stored, reused, or repurposed. There is a lack of transparency around content ownership, especially in regards to how generated AIs or performance may be used beyond the user's intent. For creators who work in professional environments, such as ambiguity can be a deal breaker. This is not uncommon in the AI space, and is an area of Hedra AI we'll need to address clearly. Hopefully, it will win trust from experienced level clients, serious content creators who prioritize data security and ownership. Hedra AI follows a tiered freemium model, making it accessible for casual creators while still offering room for growth. At the free level, users can generate up to 5 30-second videos per day, which is very generous compared to other AI tools in the space. However, this tier is experiencing slower processing times and limited priority in the rendering queue. This can lead to delays during the peak usage. For those who need more consistent outputs or longer videos, paid plans are starting at $10 per month, which unlocks 20 minutes of video generation per month. For the professional tier, priced at $50 per month, increases the limit to 2 hours of support videos, up to 12-minute long. The flexibility allows users to choose a plan based on how frequent they use the platform and the length of the content that they need. The pricing system also incorporates a credit-based usage model, which is different actions such as generating images, syncing audios, and producing high-resolution videos, consuming different amounts of credits. This system can be cost-effective for users who produce shorter, simpler content, but become expensive for those who rely on complex animation, high-definition output, and more. While Hedra AI offers a comprehensive and enterprise-level solution with unlimited access and dedicated support, this option is only reserved for high-volume users, and the price is custom-based. Overall, the pricing model is competitive in the AI space, but requires users to monitor their usage to ensure they do not exceed their plans or limits, as they might encounter unexpected charges. One of Hedra AI's strong suits is its user-friendly interface and creative accessibility. The platform is designed to cater to non-technical users with intuitive tools that lets anyone create a full animation video by simply uploading an image or starting an audio track. The animation engine is automatically maps movement of lip-syncing videos, applying facial expressions in real time and delivering an immersive result. This ease of use makes Hedra AI ideal for social media creators, startup or teachers that want to produce professional quality content without hiring a video editor, animator and more. The platform's layout and design feels modern and clean, reducing the intimidation factor others associate with creative tools. However, while the initial workflow is smooth, some advanced users may find the customizational features somewhat limited. For instance, those who currently view granular controls for adjusting character glaze and more, such as the background settings or gestures, may find the character not as controlled. As the platform grows, it will benefit from adding more advanced editing options without losing the simplicity that makes it so appealing. Another area for improvement is the mobile optimization. Though the tool works in the browser, its performance can lag on smartphones or tablets, which limits its spontaneous and mobile-first workflow. Still, the desktop creators looking for a fast, frictionless experience, Hedra AI provides an immersive and impressive balance of simplicity and creative power. Hedra AI operates in a rapidly growing field of AI video generational tools. While it stands out in some ways, it also faces stiff competition from established and even emerging platforms. One of its closest competitors includes Runway, Cynthia, and DID. Runway offers a broad suite of creative AI tools, providing in-painting video, editing, motion transfer, and more, which makes it better suited for complex video workflows, but potentially overwhelming for even casual users. Cynthia, meanwhile, focuses on creating avatar-based videos, primarily for business use cases, such as marketing or training videos. While its outputs are polished and professional, they lack the emotional range and nature of expressive found in Hedra AI's full-body animational tools. Other emerging tools, such as HeyGen and Cabia, also pushing the boundaries of generative AI, often emphasizing style of motion rather than expressive realms. These platforms might be better for abstract or cinematic effect, but do not always match Hedra AI's in terms of character development, storytelling and more. The open source alternatives exist as well, but they require more coding knowledge and manual setup, making them less accessible for the general user who is less tech savvy. While Hedra AI excels in delivering a strong combination of expressive, full-body character design and ease of use, all within a browser-based environment, it continues to improve in reliability, support and advanced editing to remain competitive in the marketplace. Overall, Hedra AI is a bold and intuitive entry into the generative AI video landscape, offering a unique blending expressive character animation, ease of use and technical sophistication. Its ability to generate lifelike emotionless performances just from an image and audio track opens up new possibilities for storytelling, visual communication and content creators. The platform lowers the barrier for entry for anybody looking to create animated videos, which makes it ideal for individuals, educators or small businesses who need high quality videos on a budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.